and on top of that, you both get a $3 reward. Hi guys, what's going on? So in this short video, I'm going to be talking about an opportunity which I shared with you guys some time ago, and you guys acted towards it positively, and now this app contacted me in recent times, and they are telling me that for anybody who's going to sign up with my link further is going to get $3 reward on sign up. Okay, so it's unclear how this collaboration is gonna be, but the fact is that you're gonna earn and I'm also going to earn. Okay, so please follow me closely while I walk you through what these guys are saying and what application I spoke about before, and then how you too can be able to take advantage of the fact that they would give as much as $3 on sign up for absolutely free, right? And of course, there is absolutely no investment required right here. There is no investment required. All you need is what? A smartphone and what? And stable internet. Remember, our target today is talking about what? This recent partnership from these guys, where they are proposing as much as $3 just in case you sign up, and just in case you participate on those opportunities which is found on the application, you're gonna earn as much as what? As much as $12 every single day, as I explained to you before. Okay. So guys, in this part of the video, we're going to look at what these guys are saying. But remember, this is an opportunity which I shared before, and most people have been taking part in it. Some have been earning and some have been withdrawing. And in recent times, this application sent me a mail. As you can see, this is the mail I was reading from here. Okay, so they sent me a mail, and on the mail they are saying that from now on, my referral ID has been activated in a way that whoever signs up further is going to get as much as what? $30, and I'm also going to get as much as $30. Okay, but you have to know that you don't lose anything. Okay, you lose absolutely nothing, right? Rather, you earn, because just for signing up, if you get $3 for absolutely free and also get $3, this is, I mean, it's a very good for both you and I, right? Okay, so for those of you that have been following me, I spoke about the pound application before. It is spelled PAWNS.app. Okay, this is how the application, this is the pound application. This is the mail they sent to me. Okay, now on the mail they are saying that from now on, whoever signs up with the application is gonna get some $3, and I'm also going to get $3. This simply means that for those of you who watched the video before, if you have not watched the video, please go and watch. Okay, while I explain to you how it works. So these guys are saying that if you use my referral ID, you're gonna get $3, and I'm also going to get $3, guys. This simply means at any point in time, if you use my referral ID as a new person, you're gonna get $3, and then you can add this up with what, how much you are earning on the application, and then you can place a withdrawal, right? For instance, if you've been able to earn probably let's say $9, okay, on the side, and then you enter my referral ID and claim the sign up bonus, okay, you're gonna get a total of $12, which is what the minimum withdrawal you're gonna withdraw. Okay, for those of you already sign up without using my referral ID, what you have to do is you have to go over to your account, click on profile, and then click on what, redeem gift, or whatever you find there, redeem gift. Then after that, you're gonna enter a code which I'm going to put in the description of this video. When you paste that code, you click on claim. You're gonna claim, the gift, which is a sign up bonus. Okay, in most cases you're gonna get as much as $3. Okay, so please kindly hover over our description and then copy this referral code and then claim the $3, as well as I'm also going to get $3, guys. Let me be honest with you guys, and just in case you have further questions, kindly watch the video which I explained to you how it works, and you're gonna make more money from there. Okay, all right.